Hello students, welcome to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and today we are going to discuss the solutions of Chemistry 2014 JEE Advanced Paper 2. The paper code which we are using is 8. The chemistry paper has 3 sections. Let us start with section 1. Section 1 has 10 questions and all of them have 4 options given. And out of the 4 given options, only one of the given options is correct. Okay students, let us look at question number 1. Question number 1 is from the topic of chemical bonding. It says that assuming 2s and 2p mixing is not operative, the paramagnetic species among the following is. So first of all, we need to know what are paramagnetic species. Paramagnetic species are those which have an unpaired electron. Okay. And this question is based from molecular orbital theory. Now if you try to recall, in molecular orbital theory we study 2 different types of energy orders for molecular orbitals, right? The first one order is for molecules such as the heavier molecules such as O2 and F2, okay, where the 2s 2p intermixing is absent, fine. And the other order is for lighter molecules such as Be2, B2, C2 and N2, where 2s and 2p mixing is present. Now one very critical data which has been given in the question is that assume 2s 2p mixing is not operative. So basically what we need to do over here is that we need to write the same order for all the molecules. That means we are going to write the molecular orbital energy order, the one which we write for heavier molecules such as O2 and F2, where 2s and 2p mixing, 2s and 2p mixing is not operative. Okay, so the same order we are going to use in all these cases, which normally is not the case, let me tell you, because the energy order gets changed in case of all these molecules due to 2s 2p mixing. But in the question we have been very specifically asked that assume 2s and 2p mixing is not operative. Fine. So let us begin with B2. For B2 there will be a total of 8 electrons, fine, and the MO configuration would be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, 4 electrons. Then we will come to sigma 2s2 and finally sigma star 2s2. So that will make it a total of 8 electrons. So as you can see, there are no unpaired electrons, so this particular species will be diamagnetic in nature. Okay, so this won't be my answer. Let us come to B2. Boron has atomic number 5, so there will be a total of 10 electrons in B2 and the MO configuration would be sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, and finally after this we would have sigma 2pz. Now this is one important difference, because had 2s and 2p mixing been operative, we would have had pi 2px, pi 2py. But since 2s 2p mixing is not operative, the order would then be sigma 2pz, and in sigma 2pz we would have another 2 electrons, so that will make it a total of 10. And again there is no unpaired electron, so this again would be a diamagnetic species. Okay, let us look at C option. In C option we have been given C2. Now C2 would have a total of atomic number is 6, so it would have a total of 12 electrons. For the first 10 electrons the order would be similar to B2, so I am just drawing a line over here, that is it would be similar to C2, sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2. Once we reach sigma 2pz2 we will have a total of 10 electrons, and after this we would have pi 2px equal to pi 2py. Since both of them are degenerate orbitals, they would be filled according to the Hund's rule, and each one of them will have 1 electron each. So we can clearly see there will be 2 unpaired electrons in C2, and from this logic, since there are unpaired electrons, C2 would be my paramagnetic species. Okay, we don't need to check into because it is only one correct option type, but still just to be sure we will consider N2 as well. Now N2 will have a total of atomic number is 7, so it will have a total of 14 electrons. The configuration will remain same up till this point. Till this point we will have a total of 10 electrons, and then another 4 would be filled in pi MOs, pi 2px equal to pi 2py, and we have to fill 4 electrons, so each one of them will have 2 each. So again there is no unpaired electron, so this again would be diamagnetic. So finally coming back to the answer, C would be my correct answer to the question. Thank you.